Welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Sunday. Make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on my social media at Fabiolag Official. If you ever want to know what I'm up to or what I'm doing, go ahead and follow me there. I do tend to post a lot on my Instagram and my Instagram stories. So let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So before I get started, I'm so sorry if I sound a little bit out of breath. I do get really sick during the allergy seasons, and it lasts a very good month to month and a half. So right now I am literally miserable. I took a bunch of allergy medicine and nothing seems to work, but this is like every year, so I'm kind of used to it, but I just can't wait for the allergy season to be over and feel like myself again. I literally couldn't even put on makeup the whole entire week. Like today is Saturday and I finally was able to put a little bit of makeup on. But anyway, I do have a Chanel Beauty unboxing and I'm so excited because I've always wanted to try something out from their beauty line. I've heard some amazing reviews, so I did get some items. I ended up ordering items from my very good friend Clementina, and she has the most amazing and incredible Instagram feed ever. I'll link her Instagram down below so you girls can follow her. But she loves like everything pink and girly as well, and she's so lucky. She works at Chanel, so I ordered some items with her and she was super sweet because she helped me out on choosing some items. So I also ended up going in store as well. I picked up 2 other items that she didn't have in store. But look how pretty. She even packaged it in a Chanel bag and wrapped it up in this beautiful box right here from Chanel with the Chanel ribbon. So I am so excited to show you all the cute things that I got. Oh, and the box smells so good. It smells just like Chanel perfume. And she was just so sweet. Look at all the goodies in here that she included. So there is this Coco Mademoiselle little makeup bag. It's so cute. And it has like the little Chanel logo. How cute is that? I'm definitely gonna keep this in my purse to put all like my Chanel goodies in there. So she included that. And then I'm gonna show you what I got. So look how cute everything is. She literally packaged everything with a Chanel ribbon. Like, this is the cutest thing ever. I got some lipsticks. How cute. So the first thing I got is this here. This is the Le Creme for your hands. It's a hand cream. And it says it's smooth, it softens, and it brightens your hands. And this is the most amazing cream you will ever find. I actually saw this in store and I fell in love with it. Look how cute this is. It's like adorable. You just throw that in your purse and you're all set to go. So you open it like this, you just take the cap off and you squeeze the product into your hands. But I thought this was like so beautiful and it's perfect just to carry on the go. So I also got a lipstick. I got this one here. It's called the Rouge Allure Ink Fusion. And I'm going to link the exact color that I got down below. But it is in the number 812 and it's this beautiful like pinkish red. Look how gorgeous the packaging is. It's all like matte and it has the Chanel logo right here. This is so beautiful. And it has like a really nice doe foot applicator. I'm gonna swatch it. It's gorgeous. It goes on matte and it dries out very quickly, but it's very comfy on the lips. Absolutely stunning color. This is a color that I would highly recommend, and I do use this kind of like darker shade of like pink red quite often, so this is just perfection. I also ordered a lip gloss, and this is a very popular one too. It's the Chanel Rouge Cocoa Gloss in the number 119. Ooh, this one's so beautiful. Look how pretty this is, and it's like a mauve color, but it does have like a little bit of sheen A little bit of like sparkle, beautiful color. This is definitely a color for like an everyday. Also, the doe foot applicator is incredible. It's so smooth, very, very glossy. This is so pretty. It's this one right here. I'm loving this shade. So I got those products, and then she also included the Sean's Chanel sample, and then also the new one. This one here smells so good. I think I really want to get this one next. It's the Gabrielle by Chanel. It smells so incredible. It's very like musky, but it has like a little bit of floral in it, and I fell in love with this one. And then she also sent me this here, which is the Chanel Volume Mascara. I'm gonna open that and see what it looks like. Okay, so it's like this. It's a pretty good size. It's a sample size, but this is like really good. This will definitely last you a few weeks. And then she also sent me this here, full of like Chanel samples and products. There is the Chanel La Masque, and there's also another mascara, as well as the Le Volume de Chanel Mascara Noir. There's also this one here. It's called Le Lift, and it's a cream for your under eyes. I'm definitely gonna try that out because my under eyes are like so dry lately. There's also this one here. It's the Rouge Coco Flash. It's like a sample of all their lipsticks. Wait till you see this. Look how stunning all these shades are. These are beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna be playing with these and see which one I want to order, but these are so incredible. So she was super sweet. She literally like added like all these bunch of goodies in there. So in store, I did go specifically to get this perfume. What's not a perfume? It's a body and hair mist. It's the Coco Mademoiselle Broom the perfume. It's a light fragrance mist, and you can use this for your hair, for your body, and it smells incredible. Like if you've smelled the Mademoiselle perfume, you're definitely going to love this. It's the exact same thing. This one here is a little bit more like a lighter scent, but that's because it's meant to be used in your hair or your body, and it's pretty big. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's white with gold, so luxurious, and oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna spray a little bit in my hair. It just smells so nice. Like every time you like walk by, your hair just kind of smells incredible. So definitely recommend this. It's a must. I ended up getting this because I wanted something to just throw in my purse. I think it's a little bit too big, so I might just keep this in my vanity. I also got this compact powder. This one is the Lavage Healthy Glow Sheer Powder number 30, and I got this so that I could just throw this in my purse to, you know, just touch up whenever I need to. It does come with this really cute little velour pouch with the Chanel logo, and then here it is. Isn't it so beautiful? I love this packaging. It's just so aesthetically pleasing. And then it looks like this. So it does come with like a mirror, and then also a little brush to use it, and it's like a really nice brush actually. And then you get the foundation inside. So I really love this. I love the fact that they include a little brush to go with it, and it fits perfectly in your purse. So I'm really excited with this one. And then I also got another lip gloss, and this one here is the Rouge Coco Gloss in number 726 Icing. It's like a very light pink color. It's just like the perfect sheen of pink. Here it is. Look how pretty. I love this one here. I love the color. It has like the little Chanel logo on the cap. And this one's more like just like a clear gloss with a little slight hint of pink. You can't even see it. But I got it because I think this is perfect for those days that you don't want so much makeup, you just want something glossy on your lips. So that's why I got this one. So here are the swatches. So that is everything that I got from the Chanel beauty line. I really love everything, and I'm loving the mist. Like, it smells so good. I heard that it's a limited edition. I don't know if they're going to keep it. I really hope they do because I really love it. So that was everything I got. I really hope you loved today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. Follow me on Instagram. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.